before I start talking.
You can put that camera here.
Testimony. And my testimony. No doubt. I don't come here to compose how I dress or how I look. I know it's not my testimony. Yes, I did sharp, I know. But I want to let you know something. Those people waiting to say nothing good will fit come out from you. You go make sure you let them know say something good must come out from you. Hey now, I try to talk. I try to talk. Something good must come out from you. See me today now, many people say nothing will come out from me. But something good don't they come out from me. Yes, now me talking. You remember back then, they thought say nothing good will come out from desert. Now Dubai a day now, that desert now a day. Somebody talk at that time say nothing good will come out from desert. Consider desert today. Everybody all over the world, they won't come to this desert. That place where you call desert, where you consider, I then get the most beautiful road ever. 24/7 light they did here. Water need they cease for 1 minute. Even night be like day. Cripple, blind, leprosy, epilepsy. Everybody will be say they even no get physical body. All of them, if you ask them where do you want to go, they go tell you say they won't come to buy that place where you say nothing good will come out from desert. Nah, listen to me. That desert where you say nothing good will come out. That desert today, consider that desert. Now that desert, many people they run come. So I need a talk. If you think say you go tell person say nothing good go come out from that person, now you go still open your eye, celebrate the person when the person go start to succeed. So my brother and my sister, wetin I dey try talk be say no look down on anybody. No look down on anybody. Now people say nothing good go fit come out from desert, which is Dubai. But today, come see Dubai now. Come now. Everybody they run, enter and scatter. Go come Dubai. And that people went to say nothing good will come out from desert. Make you go see their country. Lights, na problem. Road, wahala. Why I no go talk? If I no talk, you no talk. Who go talk? Nah. If I no talk, you no talk. Who go talk? So make I talk. If I no talk, brother, you no talk. Who go talk? Come see the desert today. Road na tantam. Light na 24/7. Nothing they shake. Nothing they shake for light. Electricity day. Security day tight. Now that desert though. Now that desert though that they talk. Now that desert. And it don't make sense. Can't see the people who ain't say nothing good will come out from desert. Security na problem for their country. Light, ebelebe, road, akataka. And you go see them. And then they carry big cars. They carry big cars. They drive. Let me tell you one secret where you don't know. One secret where you don't know. By that time when we say nothing good will come out from desert for Dubai, where you talk and say nothing good will come out from desert, that time you know what then they use? Then they use horse and camel. Yes, they need to use expensive cars. They need to use expensive cars because waiting, they don't get good road. They don't get good road that time. Good road no day. But now, that desert don't transform to paradise on earth. In fact, I call it heaven on earth. When you call Siam, now me they tell you, the desert don't turn to heaven on earth. That desert where you see, now, no kind of car where you no go see for this desert. Nah. Yes, now me they tell you, no kind of car where you no go see for that desert. Now then get the most expensive car in the world. This desert now they drive the most expensive car. Even then get car where in they fly. Now that desert though, may you come see am. So if you no believe in yourself, If you no believe in yourself, you go let people mind condemn you, don't say you no go fit do am. My brother, you no go do am, because dem tell Dubai say nothing good go fit come out from desert, which is Dubai. But today Dubai don prove una say that desert don turn to number one in the whole world. The number one in the whole world when e come to Dubai. Everywhere na beauty. Even police wey you dey see, even police na your friend. Dubai police na dem be number one friend people in the world. Dem no dey harass person, dem no dey harass person at all. Dubai police no dey to do gidigidi gang with you. No, if you get problem, they go come follow you, settle am amicably. Na that desert wey dem dey talk o, yes o, that desert. Come see the desert na, the desert don make sense. Na me dey talk am. I say the desert wetin, e don make sense. If you no dey hear me, draw your ear. I say that desert don make sense. Make una make una own desert be like heaven. As Dubai don prove una say dem go make their desert be like heaven, so make una make una own desert be like heaven. That's why as you see me so, I dey dengue dey pose, because people tell me say nothing good fit come out of me. My brother, check out me today. Come out there, Joe. I too sweet. So make you make yourself sweet. Dubai don't make their country sweet. Their country be like their country be like honey. Everybody where you hear, then they rush, enter and scatter. I want to go to Dubai. I want to see Burj Khalifa. I want to go to Skyscraper. I want to do this. I want to do that. Now that desert though. See that? Now that desert though. That desert don't turn to heaven no. Even the leprosy, even epilepsy, blind people, everybody won't come to that desert. That desert now don't turn to heaven. When in our own desert go turn to heaven. Everybody won't come to this desert. When in our desert go come to heaven. Now my question be that. When in our desert go come to heaven. See the country, it don't turn to heaven. This country where they call desert, when be Dubai, it don't turn to heaven. Why I no go talk? If I no talk, you no talk. Who go talk? The thing they wait. In fact, I want address now very well, because my body they hot, my blood they hot, my blood it they hot. I go show you and say my blood they hot, my blood they hot. I go show you now. See. You feel call me Mr. Smart. Yes, I know I'm smart, but I dey use this my message. They pass. Make it make sense for in a head. If you get sense, you go know say my message they drive somewhere. Back then, maybe I still did my mama belle, or they just born me. I don't know. I never talk. But now you say that desert, nothing go fit come out from the desert. But may you can't see the desert today. Something great don't come out from this desert. Everybody all over the world, they won't come to this desert. Now if I no talk, you no talk. Who go talk? Make you not the listing. Now you not say nothing good will come out from desert. See desert today. Everything marama, everything blessed, everything good don't they come out from this desert. So my brother and sister, and they use this opportunity, they also to tell people say, if somebody from somewhere tell you say you no go make am, nothing good go come out from you. Tell that person say you are bigger than the biggest. You are the best among the best. You understand? You are a conqueror. In fact, you are global. You are international. Tell that person say he go see you and he go celebrate you. Because your name na grace. There is grace in you. He go see you, he go celebrate you. Because when they tell Dubai say nothing good will come out from desert. Dubai say no worry. You go let her talk the other side of your mouth. But today, see wetin dey happen. See wetin dey happen. Dubai, it don't turn to paradise. I say it don't turn to paradise. Many people will reject that desert before. Now then they run, they come paradise now, because it don't turn to paradise on earth. I beg, leave me, Jare, make I talk. In a talk say na desert. Come see the desert today. I beg, make I post. Make I post, because me, I also did this desert. I also did this desert. Make I post. Now post I dey post. You know they see me. Now this desert make me be like this because somebody also tell me say nothing good will come out of me. But today, that desert, something good don't dey come out from that desert. So believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Those people that said you will not make it, those people where they say you know if you get am, tell them say you go get am. Now me they tell you, those people when say you know if you get am, tell them say you must get am. Brother, I beg, cut this thing.